How to send a contact on WhatsApp for iPhone. You can send a contact on WhatsApp for iPhone either on a group of person or to a specific person. Let's see how you can send a contact on WhatsApp for iPhone. Tap on the person chat. If you did not start the conversation with that person, you could start the chat with the compose button from the top. You have here a plus button on the bottom. If you wish to send a contact, tap it. Tap on contact. Select what contact you wish to send. Here you can select or unselect what number and info you wish to send to those person. Now tap send. You have sent the contact to this person. You can send the same contact to a group. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.